how to take how to copy and paste your graphs that you make into a PowerPoint presentation. So you guys are missing important things because you're not copying and pasting the graphs that you make into PowerPoint. The directions for the assignment clearly state that a PowerPoint needs to be made. So here's what needs to happen is that you're here, once you create your pivot table, okay, and your whatever, and your graphs, all you do is you click on that. So you click on your graph. It's very easy to do. So you just click on it. You right click, and when you right click, these options come up, okay? You hit copy. Once you hit copy, you then go to either, if you're doing it in PowerPoint, you go to PowerPoint and you open your presentation, and you can either add, so you would write your name and whatever here. You go here and you add new slide. Once you hit a new slide, you go here, you put the title of the slide, and then you hit Control V, or you right click and hit paste. Okay, and you're given these options. If you hit this, you paste, here comes the pivot table. And then you're going to add a new slide, hit here again. The next slide, you're going to go back to Excel, and here is the actual graph. So I'm going to right click, whoops. Oh, let me hit back because I messed up because now I moved it. You right click on the entire graph and you copy that, and then you go to your PowerPoint and you hit here, you click inside, and then you hit paste, and there it is. If you're using Google Slides, then you just go to Google Slides, you put in your Google slide, you go up here, you go to your Google slide, you go here to your to Google, I gotta find Google Sheets. Let me just do slides. Google Slides is right here. You go to Google Slides, you open a blank presentation, and it's the same thing as Excel. You would insert a slide, new slide right here. You then hit paste. And there it is. There is your property crime. So then you probably want to get rid of that. So I just clicked on there and deleted. So this is how you take what you've created in Excel and put it into a PowerPoint or a Google slide presentation. The reason that I'm not giving you credit is because you have to know how to do this to pass this class. Is that it is a learning outcome. I can't send you on and say that you learned how to use PowerPoint and Excel if you're not doing those things, okay? So you need to know how to take something from one kind of format and move it into another format. And so you need to take what you did in Excel and copy it over to a PowerPoint. That's what's important.